Okay, so this video is about Cami. You must make sure that you are in a Google Chrome browser because it is a Chrome extension. And if you come over to Google and just search Kami, it will bring it up. You want to make sure that you come over and you get the Cami extension PDF documents. And then it'll take you to the Chrome web store. You will add to Chrome. Yes, you want to add the extension. And now you can see here that this popped up in the top right-hand corner that it has been added to the Chrome. And I've done this a few times. And so I think that my settings are already to be used as a teacher. If you're a student, you would pop up. I'm going to go ahead and click on there just to see. So I think normally whenever you open this for the first time, it might ask you if you're a student or a teacher. Mine's already preset as a teacher. But how Cami works, you don't have to necessarily open it from there, but you can open any PDF from your device. At the top, when you open a PDF, it pops up Open With. You want to annotate with Cami. And you can see here on the left-hand side that several tools have popped up. There's a zoom button. I like the zoom button so that way you can zoom in and out on your problems and possibly have more space to work. So if I come over here, I know this is zoomed in pretty extreme. I like the drawing tool, and you can change the font size on your drawing tool and also the color. I like the drawing tool because if you are using a touchscreen, then you can simply just draw in whatever you need to draw in. But they do have a text box available, so you can put that text box down. Again, if you look across the top, here is text sizes and fonts. So if you needed something like X squared, then you have the script that goes up and you can type the square. You have to click it for a second time to make it go back down to where you might have the regular font again. And then it also has markup, which you can select areas that possibly you want to go ahead and highlight. Maybe you want to highlight it to be green. And so now you can see that that box is green. And this is the free version here. You can also add comments, perhaps if you have a question or something like that. But if you don't like what you've done and you need a blank slate, there is the erase there. There's also shapes where if you want to circle your answer, you can circle it, or maybe you're more creative and you want to put a triangle around it, you can do that as well to help answer your questions in certain lines. And again, you can change all of those colors from there. As far as being saved, you can see at the top it says saved, but it saves it in your Google Drive. And if you want to save it in a more specific folder in your Google Drive, then you can go ahead and select on that folder and make sure that it is organized to your liking.